Have you ever wondered how to invest in the stock market? Picture this. You're part of a grand global marketplace where businesses and investors come together, where fortunes are made, and where the economic pulse of the world beats. This is the stock market. At its core, the stock market is a platform where companies sell portions of their business, known as stocks or shares, to raise money. These shares are then bought and sold by individuals like you and me, who are hoping to profit from the company's success. But why is the stock market an attractive avenue for investment? Well, it has the potential for significant financial rewards. Over time, the value of stocks can increase, leading to a profit when sold. Plus, some stocks pay dividends, providing a regular stream of income. However, it's not all rosy. The stock market also carries risks. Share prices can fall, leading to losses. But with careful strategy and patience, these risks can be managed. So, you're intrigued about stock market investment? Great. Now let's break down the process into simple steps. To start with, we need to understand what stocks are. Imagine owning a slice of a large company, say a tech giant or a multinational conglomerate. That's precisely what stocks give you, partial ownership in a company. Each stock you buy is a small piece of the company's assets and earnings. Now, how does the value of these stocks fluctuate? It's quite simple. The better the company performs, the more your stocks are worth. If the company hits a rough patch, the value of your stocks may decrease. There are also two main types of stocks, common and preferred. Common stocks give you voting rights at shareholder meetings, while preferred stocks usually don't. But preferred stocks have a higher claim on the company's earnings and assets. That means if the company pays dividends, preferred stockholders get paid first. Now that you have a basic understanding of stocks, it's time to learn how to buy them. Buying stocks is not as complicated as it may seem. To get started, you'll need to set up a brokerage account. This is like a bank account, but it's designed to hold investments instead of cash. There are many online brokers to choose from, each with their own advantages and fees, so do your homework before you decide. Once you've set up your brokerage account, you're ready to place an order. You can choose from different types of orders. A market order buys or sells a stock at the current market price. A limit order only buys or sells the stock when it reaches a certain price you've set. A stop order, on the other hand, becomes a market order once the stock reaches a certain price. After you've placed your order, the broker will handle the rest. They'll buy the stock, and it will appear in your brokerage account. And just like that, you've bought your first stock. But how do you make money from it? There are two main ways to make money from stocks. First, let's talk about dividends. Imagine you're a part owner of a company. As a shareholder, you're entitled to a share of the profits. These profits, distributed periodically, are known as dividends. Not all companies offer dividends, but those that do can provide a steady stream of income, especially if you own a substantial number of shares. Now let's move on to the second way to make money, by selling stocks for a profit. It's as simple as buying low and selling high. You purchase shares when the price is low, then wait for the value to increase. Once it does, you sell your stocks, pocketing the difference. The greater the difference, the larger your profit. Remember, though, that the stock market is unpredictable, and prices can also fall, leading to potential losses. So, it's important to do your homework and invest wisely. And that, in a nutshell, is how you can make money from stocks. Investing in the stock market can be a rewarding, albeit risky, venture. We've explored the essence of the stock market, a bustling marketplace of buying and selling shares of public companies. We've delved into the nature of stocks, pieces of ownership in a company that you can purchase. We talked about how to buy these stocks, the process that's been simplified thanks to modern technology. And we've illuminated how one can make money from stocks, either through selling them at a higher price or collecting dividends. Yet, as we've emphasized, this venture is not without its risks. The stock market is unpredictable, and while it holds the potential for immense profit, it also carries the possibility of significant loss. But don't let this deter you. Arm yourself with knowledge, stay informed, and make calculated decisions. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about the stock market, the better your chances of making informed and successful investment decisions. Happy investing.